Volvo S90 is a premium luxury sedan that stands as a testament to Scandinavian design and cutting-edge automotive technology. Combining elegance, comfort, and advanced engineering, the S90 appeals to discerning drivers who value refinement and innovation in their vehicles. Its sleek silhouette, marked by clean lines and a distinctive front grille, exudes sophistication and a sense of understated luxury. Under the hood, the Volvo S90 offers a range of powertrains, including mild hybrids and plug-in hybrid options, catering to both performance enthusiasts and eco-conscious drivers. The plug-in hybrid variant, known as the Recharge, delivers impressive fuel efficiency and a respectable electric inline range, making it a versatile choice for urban commutes and long-distance journeys alike. All engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and responsive acceleration. Inside the cabin, the Volvo S90 is a sanctuary of comfort and craftsmanship. High-quality materials such as Nappa leather, real wood accents, and brushed metal finishes are used throughout, creating an ambiance of modern luxury. The seats, renowned for their ergonomic design, provide exceptional support for long drives. The minimalist dashboard features a 9-inch vertical touchscreen infotainment system powered by Google's Android Automotive OS, offering seamless integration with Google Maps, voice control, and various apps. The sound system, particularly the Bowers & Wilkins option, immerses passengers in an unparalleled auditory experience. Safety remains at the forefront of Volvo's philosophy, and the S90 is no exception. Equipped with the brand's IntelliSafe suite, the car boasts features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and collision avoidance systems. The Pilot Assist semi-autonomous driving feature adds an extra layer of convenience and security, allowing the car to handle steering, acceleration, and braking under specific conditions. Driving the S90 is a balanced experience, with its refined suspension delivering a smooth and composed ride. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on highways, the sedan's quiet cabin and responsive handling ensure a pleasurable journey. Despite its focus on luxury, the S90 remains practical, offering ample legroom for rear passengers and a spacious trunk. The Volvo S90 represents a harmonious blend of design, technology, and safety. It redefines luxury for the modern driver, emphasizing sustainability and innovation without compromising on style or performance. This car is more than just transportation. It's a statement of elegance and progressive thinking.